feel like this should be an Instagram ads made me do it kind of a video because I truly have been sleeping on the brand. The title may have already told you. What we're going to do in today's video is a New Me Asia haul, and they go by New Me or do they go by New Me Asia? I'm even confused about that. I clearly discovered them through Instagram ads and everybody else seems to know about them. Let's find out what all the fuss is about. I have all the products I ordered for over here. First things first, I have to say that this is an OXO biodegradable bag, 100%, and that in itself got my attention and I like the idea of that. So I want to call that out. I ordered for a few different pieces that you and I are going to get together and try today. Going to cut across this package and hope that it doesn't cut across any of the clothes. One of the learnings I had with the Instagram ads made me do it is that I need to do this on a fatafat basis because sometimes if they don't fit me or if I want to size up or down, never down, mostly up. I run out of the exchange window, and that did happen with a lot of pieces from the Instagram ads made me do it episode 1. This technically, like I said, should count as an episode 2 because I happen to do this through the ads. There's a lot of pink happening over here. There's some blue. Wait, this can't be everything. There's more pieces I ordered. There's only 3 pieces here. Has it come in 2 parts or something? No, only 3 are here, and I ordered 5 pieces. One,
but
two,
they might have
three.
sent 3 at a time, like 3 and 2 separate.
The delivery dispatch has all the pieces on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's weird. There's no packaging.
That is so strange.
What 2 are missing? The top, I think.
Pink, pink, blue. Which blue is this?
This blue.
Yeah. So the corset and the midi are missing.
This is your order, na?
Yeah.
But the delivery message.
This is the delivery message. It's been dispatched. I'm not looking at the order. We've dispatched your order. Starting off on a dramatic note, I'm about to go and figure out what the issue is on their customer service. Okay, wait. When I'm logging into the account, it says 2 pieces are in international transit. That is so strange. International transit, passport stamped, order in motion. Your international order in transit will usually take 2 to 3 order, but arriving 14th to 16th April. I'm so confused. Shouldn't they mark that out? Then there are 2 pieces that are apparently international transit. So I'm gonna have to try those out separately. That's a little bit strange, not gonna lie. Okay, alright. We're gonna open 3 pieces now, and then obviously Edit Anam is gonna come in at some point and show you the other 2 pieces separately. Let's get started with this lovely pink number I have over here. I have to say these bags on the inside are very dusty. I hope the outfits fit because that's going to make all of this drama, suspense worth it. I ordered 5 items and I paid a total of 6,020 rupees for all the 5 pieces. So you know, this is not sponsored, obviously. Okay. First things first, also a surprise for me because I sometimes order in my sleep at night and then I forget. We have, okay, this material feels not great, but not cheap either. It feels like, it actually reminds me a little bit of like Shein, but like slightly better Shein, if that makes sense. We have this pink number going on over here. There's a little cowl effect on one side. As you can see, it pulls everything in on one side. It is a maxi, so it goes all the way down. I'm gonna let Tryon Anam come in and give you the tea on what the fit feels like. Okay, I have to start out with saying I am not pregnant. This is just how paunchy I am. And the dress is clearly really snug. I think this is the kind of dress that is going to demand that I get into shapewear, and I'm not into shapewear. I literally don't own a single piece. It's the kind of outfit that's going to look nice if I get into shapewear, but it's still not going to feel nice. Especially in the sweltering, humid, hot Mumbai weather. I would not wear this and step out of the house unless I knew I was going from AC to AC to AC, and even waiting for my car at the valet would be a problem in an outfit like this. It's also really not doing anything to my body as is, and I don't want to get into shapewear. It's something that I've avoided for this long. I let my paunch be a paunch for as natural as I possibly can. So it looks like this outfit is gonna get returned. I will appreciate the styling though. The way this entire area is slightly pulled, tucked, the the little stretch detailing here, the cowl detailing on the side. I do like it. I wish it was in a better material, and I wish it was more fitted to my body. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Very, very dusty, I have to say. Very dusty. Not a fan of how dusty these bags are. Over here, I've got a quad set, which is in this lovely sky blue color. Okay, this fabric feels very sastu. This fabric feels very, I hope it's not transparent because it's beginning to look a little bit sheer to me. Not feeling very impressed, I have to admit. There is a zip that runs along the front. This is a tube top, in case that wasn't abundantly clear. And then it's got a matching pair of pants to go with it. Not only does it have these matching cargo pants with pockets on both sides, it also comes with a matching belt. Let try on Anam take over. I have only one word for this, and the word is no. Because this is super snug on the chest, but it fits me fine on the waist and around here. Actually, it's like maybe there's a little bit even room for movement. The pant is very, very snug too. I thought about going a size up and exchanging it, but then I realized that this would be even looser over here and would even look like lesser, like a corset. I haven't even gotten to the belt here, as you can see. No, I'm only on the second piece out of about 5-6 of them. And it's safe to say this haul is not making me love my body. Or should I say it's making me feel bad about my body, whereas I don't usually feel bad about my body. For right now, in present tense, this is the last piece I have on my hands because like we discovered, the other two pieces you're going to see separately. For me separately, for you in the same video. We have another pink number over here. I was clearly feeling a very, very pink. This one was that Khushi Kapoor inspired look. I think Khushi Kapoor wore this to the Sol de Janeiro event that she was announced as the brand ambassador for, because I think I was there at that event when I saw her in person. It's this really nice corset looking. It does have wiring. It doesn't have... Guys, it doesn't have wiring. I was expecting corsets that look... Tops that look like corsets and don't have wiring don't fit well. I don't know why they do this. It is also a full length number. I was gonna pack this for the destination wedding I was headed for, thinking it would be nice for like an after party kind of a vibe. Well, I'm gonna let try on Anam take over and see whether this fit was a fit or not. No wires. Okay, I love the direction of the style of this dress, okay? But it was a pain to get into. Literally, we needed like two of us, my assistant and I, to get together and push this dress on. This or the first pink dress had no zips, no buttons, no hooks, nothing. I'm currently braless because I absolutely had to be to get the dress on. Is it a style I would lean towards? 100% yes. This piping paunchy, I like this detailing going on the front, but it was like it literally took me at least 7 to 8 minutes to get inside the dress and then kind of maneuver my way around it. It is something I'm very keen on having in my wardrobe because I feel like it's something I know I would wear. The slit is fine, the corset style is fine, the cowl design is fine. I wish there was some wiring in here, but clearly there isn't. I feel like this is something I'd love to recreate perhaps in an outfit from scratch, wedding guest edition, formal night edition. Unfortunately, literally we're on a hat trick, 3 on 3. This one is gonna have to go back because I am not spending 10 minutes getting inside a dress. That also today I had some help. Imagine if I was by myself. I don't know how much longer it would take, or I don't know if I would go through with it even, because that's a little bit of an issue. All in all, this is the one dress from the 3 pieces that I've tried that I would actually recommend you go ahead and check out. I'm leaving links to everything down below in the description section, even though this video is clearly not sponsored. But this one I would recommend. This one is a style and even a material that I could be on board with. So I just want to be really clear on that. Someone's come home at exactly the right time. He has no idea what I think of it because I literally cut the clip to like go change and he walked in. What do you think of this dress?
It's okay.
It's okay. Should I keep it or should I return it?
Return it.
Return it? The tummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. He says return it. I was also going to return it. But not because of the tummy. Because it literally took 2 of us and 10 minutes for me to get inside the dress. There's no buttons, no zips, no hooks, nothing. But I love the style. मतलब इतना सा ही है पूरा घुसने के लिए and to get myself in without any zip, any opening. Typically,
How does it stay up?
it stays up because it's super tight here, right? So I had to roll my whole body through it. That's what I'm telling you. Return. Hi, it's been a couple of weeks since I filmed the first half of this haul and now I'm down to the last two pieces. This dress has single-handedly made me realize that I need to get into shape. I really like the fit of it. It fits me everywhere really nice, but of course the paunch bulge is so obvious. I'm just gonna say it myself. The size chart directed me in a way that I needed to order a small, and that's what I've done. But do I like it? Do I like the material? Do I like the cut? Do I love the baby pink color? Yes to absolutely everything. I think the length of the slit is also so nice, but I definitely need to get shapewear, especially for this dress if I'm going to wear it. My return window has closed, so I don't really have a choice but to keep it. So I'm either going to wear it with shapewear or make this my motivation to lose weight? Question mark. This last piece from the New Me haul is a gentle reminder to all the brands that size inclusivity isn't just about the inches that go around the bust, waist, hips. It also has to do with what you do with cup sizes. This is, honestly, it's a joke. I can't even come on screen to show it to you on how it fits. It comes with this beautiful ribbon, like, you know, whole lace thing to tie up at the back of the corset. Everything fits fine, but these cup sizes are so small, they barely cover half my boobs. If I wear this out of the house, a nip slip is pretty much guaranteed. It is what it is, and even though my return window is closed with this, I'm pretty much stuck. I might try to DM the brand and see what they can do about it in terms of taking it back, refunding, at least giving me credit so the money doesn't go waste and I buy something else that's useful. But all in all, this is the sitch. This has been a new brand for me to explore. My overall reviews are definitely a little bit thanda garam, as you can see through the course of this video. I will let you give me your opinions and thoughts down below in the comment section. You know I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of you. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and leave that comment down below and you see you will get a reply from me, because I always make it a point to be reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of you. I love you so much. I hope you will keep watching my videos. I hope you hit the bell button, turn those notifications on so you get alerts, because I upload about thrice a week on this channel, which I think is pretty cool, and I hope you're enjoying all the content that I'm putting out there for you. I love you so much. I'm going to see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.